Storing your bald buddy for travel mode is really easy. We recommend you do this so that you don't end up breaking your shaving heads, or you don't end up breaking any part of your shaver, or you don't want your shaver to be running in your bag as you're driving or as you're on a flight. So getting your bald buddy into travel mode, what we recommend is you take off the actual shaving head and you put the protective cap back on the shaving head, and you store it into a compartment of your bag. If you keep the shaving head on the bald buddy and you jam it into your bag, something may push one of these back and break it. All right, so take it out, put the protective cap on, store it in a compartment of your bag. The shaver itself, you can store it in the bag, but before you do that, put it into travel mode. Putting it into travel mode is easy. All you need to do is hold down the button for 5 seconds. You will see that a lock comes on. All right. And now, even if I press this, it's not going to come on in my bag or when I'm traveling or just accidentally. So if you want to turn it off of travel mode, just hold it for another 5 seconds and it will turn off of travel mode. And then the lock sign will go away, and then you'll see the normal indications that you have. All right. Make sure you protect your bald buddy. This is your friend to help you make shaving easy. If you have any questions, reach out to us at info@thecutbuddy.com, The Cut Buddy on all socials, or fill out our contact form. I'm usually the guy that'll be helping you out with any of your issues because I'm a bald buddy too. Take care.